welcome to my channel. So my name is Anamika and I am actually wearing the happy color for me, like pink is my happy color, and I just wanted to create this look. Even you can follow me for all the behind the scenes and much more on my Instagram. It's flashing just right here. This makeup look was super duper easy and you are going to watch this tutorial now, like just after the intro. So this is a perfect makeup look for summer, as even the summer wedding season has started. You guys must be very confused right now as it is super duper hot in India and we really need some kind of makeup which will last for long and even make us look nice and presentable without sweating a lot. I hope you guys are going to surely enjoy, and if you do, you know what you have to do. You have to give me a like and even subscribe to my channel. Want you guys to, you know, like follow me, subscribe to my channel on Instagram, even on YouTube, and even, you know, like help me grow and build up a community where we can learn and talk, chat and do all the amazing things about beauty and makeup. So yeah, I think without wasting much time, we should get into this makeup tutorial.
For the makeup, CTM is very important. For C and T, I'm already done, and for M, I'm going with a moisturizer by Himaira. This is the Hydra Bomb, and it keeps my skin very hydrated and even gentle on skin. So that's what I have done. Next, for the primer, I'm going for Maybelline Fit Me Primer, and this is the Dewy Plus Smooth Primer. I absolutely love the consistency of this. I applied this really gently all over my face and moved on to the foundation, and for that I'm taking the Maybelline Super Stay Lumi Matte Foundation. Really very light and perfect for this summer season. This really is very good foundation and applies very smoothly. It is so blendable and even you can build up the coverage. Do let me know if you want a review on this. Next, for highlighting and concealing, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution concealer and I'm applying this on the highest points of my face where I usually apply my concealer. I don't really go for any kind of color correction as I don't have a lot of hyperpigmentation or dark circles, but if you want, you can surely go ahead and apply any kind of orange concealer or peach concealer to color correct any dark circles or any other problem areas. So there are multiple concealers available in the market and you can surely go ahead. Even I have applied the same concealer on my eyelid so that it is prep for the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and I am just setting the T-zone area where I normally tend to get oily. Otherwise I don't really require a lot of powder with this foundation. So that is done. Now moving on to the blusher, and for the blusher I have taken a liquid blusher. This is the Tipsy Beauty Cushion something blusher. I'm going to link all the names in the description box, so do check that out. I'm applying the blusher only on the cheekbones area and even on the nose. That's what I love and that is what I have been doing. Now for contouring my face, I'm going with this shade right here from the Sugar palette, and this is their Contour the Force palette in the shade Vivid Victory. I love to contour the parameters of my face. As you have seen, my forehead is quite big, so I always go for a good contour, and then I am again going with the same powder and just cutting the jawline so it is looking nice and, you know, chiseled. And for my highlighter, I have taken the Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter in the shade 100 Molten Gold and applying this on the cheekbones, on the forehead area, on the down the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, on the cupid's bow, and even on the chin. So that's what it is done, and even a little bit on the eyebrow bones. And I felt my lips were super duper chapped, and for that I am taking the Nika lip oil and I'm applying this. This is the color changing one. I absolutely love it. This really hydrates the lips, so I always go for it. Now for my eyebrow, I'm going to fill it in off the camera, but I'm going for the Mars eyebrow definer, and that's done. Next I am going for my eyeshadow, and for eyeshadow I have picked up the all pretty set palette, pretty all set palette from You Can Be palette, and I'm going for this very warm kind of nude shade on the lids area on the back and forward motion. For the next transition shade, I'm going with this deeper orangish brick shade, and again going on the crease area, again blending that again in the back and forward motion. And next I'm taking this peachish shade and applying that only on the crease and even on the outer V, so it is looking nicely blended. All the colors are looking very beautifully blended. So I'm moving on to the shimmer shadow, which is again a rose goldish kind of pink. It has a little bit of cool undertone, so I'm applying this with my finger for maximum payoff. Even I have perfect the eyeshadow with a little brush over there, as you can see. And next, for completing this look, I'm going for my eyeliner. I'm going for a wing, and this is the Sugar Arrested for Overstay eyeliner. This is the only eyeliner I prefer and love. I think pen eyeliners are really good. It is very precise. And next, for the kajal, I'm going for a white kajal underneath my eyes. This is from LA Colors, and I'm just going for a usual kajal thingy. And then I'm again going to go with 3 different eyeshadows from this palette. As you can see, there is a light-ish beige shade, there is a brown, and even a little bit of that brick orange shade, and applying this on the lower lash line so that it is nicely put together. Now for the mascara, I'm taking the Maybelline Sky High mascara and going for the couple of coats on the lashes, on the upper and even on the lower lashes. So that is done with my eyes, and I'm pretty happy with the eye, how it turned out. For my lipstick, I'm taking this beautiful pink lipstick from Blue Heaven. This is their Cookie and Souffle lipstick. I'm sorry for the name, do check out in the description box. So yeah, that is done.
That's it for this makeup tutorial right here, and if you do, please give me a like and even do subscribe to my channel. Please stay tuned and even comment down below if you enjoyed this video. If you want to watch more such kind of videos, what would you want to watch next, and even if you have any kind of suggestions, do comment down below. It will be really helpful for me and I will really appreciate. Thank you so much if you have made it up till here, and yeah, I hope to see you in my next one. Till then, do take care of yourself, keep drinking water, keep eating a lot of fruits which will keep you hydrated throughout the day. And yeah, that's it for this video. Take care of yourself. See you super soon. Mwah. Bye.